everybody, this is Kevin from Sticks and Stones Wood Carving. Welcome again to drawing our own patterns for wood carving. Alright, that's what we're doing this week. We're doing a Christmas theme week, and this right here is going to be another Christmas video. This one's of a full-bodied Santa, but that's pretty easy, but very popular and a good seller. Okay, it's been proven. And again, as always, I'll show you the picture of the actual carving and what you can make out of this. At least you have an idea, something to look at while you're carving. Or you can trace them out and put them on a piece of basswood and cut them out, as it was in the case of this. I actually drew this on the wood, cut it out with the bandsaw, and then just rounded everything and carved it. So, to give you an idea how that's done. Let's start off by going to our paper here. And sorry, I've been drawing. I notice how bad my fingernails look from pencil and rubbing them all day, doing drawing all day. But always working, always dirty. Sorry about that. What I'm gonna do is start right here with a line right in the middle. Alright, and that's gonna be separate the eyebrows. It's pretty much the same theme as some of these. I'm trying to get you guys to see how easy it is to just start a basic face without too much, but really get a neat effect without putting a heck of a lot of detail or complicated carving maneuvers into your work. Alright, so I do a line and then came straight down. Alright, well, angled down. Over here, the same thing. Gonna kind of angle down. Alright, try and keep them fairly symmetrical. Now at the top, gonna come over and come down till I touch. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to come down and touch. Now believe it or not, those are his eyebrows. Okay? We're going to keep one big beard and a simple face in between all of there. Alright, so we're going to go up just a little bit, and we're going to draw an arcing line like this. Okay? Now continue that line right down. Give it a little bit of motion till we get down to the bottom, and then make a little point, just like that. Alright, now come up to this side. We're going to do the same thing, just come down, come all the way down, give it a little bit of movement, and attach to that point. Remember, these are eyebrows. Alright, the nose is going to be right here. Alright, and you get to the top, again, we're going to draw a line, just like that. And then right here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do another line, okay? Just like that. We're going to put an eye right here. Right under that line. Same on this side. Very simple, alright? One eye there, one eye there. And again, if you want to make that point, because it all focuses from there, the eyes are dug in, of course, behind the nose. Right? Now come down to here, draw a line, and just make one line like that. Come over here to the side, make another line like that. Make a little hole right here with your knife to get some shadow in there. Just undercut a little bit and you have your mouth. And again, we can dress him up with an eye bag or two. Try not to overdo it. Okay. And right there we almost have our face done. What we have to do yet is attach the hair, right, to over here. To give him cheeks, just attach that. Now I went a little, shouldn't have done my eye bags, them extra wrinkles right there first, but you get the idea. This just attaches like this. Then you can put your eye bags in. Drawing and carving, two different things. Right, this is going to be eyebrows. Just some lines, V-tool lines, alright? They're separated, alright? Again, the mustache, all of this is going to be hair. And it's all white with just lines. And whatever shading, you know, you should play with your paint. This is all white. And some V-tool lines or Boehner lines, okay? That's it. Now over here by his eyebrow, right here, we're going to take that, make one line, take this right here, make another line. Right, now that right there does his face. Okay, right about here on the carving, we're going to make a line that comes out and curves up. Come right up to about here and then cut in a little. Same thing on this side. I'm going to make a line, doesn't have to be even, close enough though, and then touch up here. Right, these are the arms, and we just make them so they tuck under his beard. You make a stop cut, push all that under his beard. Make a stop cut down the beard, push it under his beard. Right? From there, we're going to come up. All the way up to the top. He's got a big long hat on him. Right? Come down on this side. And we're just going to make, again, a little point. And this time we'll make him a little more decent compared to the last one. Okay, and that's the ball of his hat, of course, and this is all fur. Okay, now the only other thing left is to just give him a body, right? And right here under his arms, you just kind of come out, draw a line down, and the same over here. Yeah, come out, draw a line down, and then straight across on the bottom here, right? And that right there will be a stand-up Santa that you can carve. Then it's all about painting them and shading them however you want. But that's how easy it is to make this simple pattern. Are you trying this with me, guys? Because eventually you could do this all day and make your own book of patterns. Maybe I'll do that. I'll save every one of these and make a whole other book. And I should have done that with a lot of stuff over the years. I'd have 1,000 publications out because I'm constantly sketching. But you see how easy it is to make a nice little Santa. You could trace that right on a piece of basswood, and you have yourself a great little Santa Claus to carve every year for Christmas. That's today's video. Thanks for watching. If you want the pattern, send me an email. I'll email you one out. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.